hear a lot these days about kind of like orchestration. And, across all channels, what you really want is AI orchestration. You want the AI systems to be understanding where best is this use case served, etc. And even in a sort of like multi-agent architecture, there needs to be one agent that orchestrates it all. And I think that wrongly, the assumptions in most of the community around agent orchestration is that it's simple because the LLMs will handle it all, But I think the the reality is that when you're
Yeah,
dealing with
it's
language,
simple.
yeah,
Yeah.
when you're dealing with language, you're dealing with customers, you're dealing with that thousands and thousands and tens of thousands of interactions per day or per week. You're operating at an immense type of scale, and not just when you're having like, a local example would be, your change of address use case that you referenced earlier. You may have a change of address agent orchestrating all of your change of address tools. And that's fairly straightforward because that one change of address agent just has the instructions about when to use what tools and when to do what and what the process looks like. But I think orchestrating the orchestrators is where the challenge is. And that's seemingly, presume I don't want to put words in your mouth, but like this is kind of what I would be thinking about if I was in your shoes, is that what we're doing here is we're building the front door so that we can
Mhm.
orchestrate all of our use cases across all of our intents and needs in future.
Door is a really nice metaphor. And the thing that people shouldn't forget when they now go, we need an agent for everything. These end-to-end use cases like moving, register your move, that is implemented in my Swisscom with a really nice UI that a really nice designer has implemented. It works really well, is really comfortable. There is not necessarily any need now to make this a conversational thing.